Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Maverick, which is Ford's new compact pickup truck, which does come standard as a hybrid in two-wheel drive. However, this unit in particular comes in an XL trim with the optional 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. Also coming with the 4K tow package, and looking at the modular pickup bed, which does have holes for you to mount your own DIY sort of storage solutions in here. You can hook up or set up your own wiring through the bed as well, do whatever you want, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have surprisingly spacious seating for 3, which can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some surprisingly deep storage bins underneath for all of your stuff. And then in the middle you have a 120 volt power outlet and a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And you do have a sort of dark blue interior plastic, which does look very nice. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip information, my view with your fuel economy, music, so you're now playing, phone controls, and settings for your vehicle and your screen as well. Moving on to the left, where you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then completely left where you have your lighting controls and then your trailer brake controller, since you do have the 4K tow package. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you do have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Just to the side of that, you have a little cubby there, and then moving down you have your media controls and then your hazards. Moving down further, you have your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use. Below that, you have a 12 volt power outlet as well as a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have this cubby area here where, you kind of have an implied tray for your phone there, a cubby there, and then a standing tray for your phone as well there. Then you have your main shifter just on a dial, very simple and convenient. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby there. Your traction control shut off, drive mode selector button for normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, brake hold, and a larger cubby, as well as your center compartment / armrest here, which is very spacious inside for all of your stuff. And then last but not least, you do actually also have a power moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.